The diagram shows set of forces like this. D value is not known here, and that is what we need to find. Moment value has been given, so that means sum of all the moments about P, that is 17 Newton meter. Resultant moment has been given, and this is clockwise. This is clockwise. Clockwise means we have to take it as negative. We have to take it as
Yes.
negative. So minus. Now we have to find the value of D. We have to find the value of D. Now let us take all the moments and add them together. So sum of all the moments, take them one by one. 2 into point is here. So we need to take total distance. Total is D plus 5, no?
Yes.
D plus 2 plus 3. So D plus 5. And this is in clockwise direction. So minus. Then 4 Newton. The distance is 5. And this one is anti-clockwise, that is plus. The next force is 5. Perpendicular distance is 3, and this is going in clockwise direction, so minus. So this total, we know the value of MP. Substitute here. So minus, this is minus 17 equals minus 2, open the bracket, minus 2D minus 2 5s are 10 plus 4 5s are 20 and 15. So D is the only unknown, we can find it. Okay, so send 2D this side, 17 comes here, this becomes plus 10. 10 minus 15 is minus 5. So D is 12 by 2, that is 6. Okay, what is the
Yes.
unit? All the distances are given in meters, so D is also in meters. This is the answer. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Fourth one is also similar. Can you do it?